Hello all, let's start with a new chapter, Development, Communication and Journalism. In this, first of all, we are going to study about the importance of communication. Communication is an integral part of our social and professional life. On television, radio, newspapers, we must have heard, seen and read about issues related to health, environment, consumption, poverty and other topics. Besides news, development journalism is a social activity. Through various media and journalists communicates their feeling of the community to the community. Let's talk about what do we mean by development. Development means positive change in socio-economic and cultural lives of majority of people. What is development journalism? Prior to independence, reporting used to be done about the issues like struggles, fights, assassinations, disasters. The newly liberated countries like India, they were undergoing lot of expansion in development activities. So development journalism focuses on success stories of the people who have adapted new technologies, tried new methods and helped the society. Development communication is utilizing the power of communication as catalyst for social development. It is the practice of systematically applying the processes, strategies and principles of communication to bring positive social change in the society. It is oriented to socio-economic development and happiness of the people. It aims at giving information and educating the community. This also combines suitable mass media and interpersonal communication channels for great impact. It is based on audience characteristics and their environment. What is RRE, Red Ribbon Express? RRE was nationwide communication campaign for generating awareness about HIV/AIDS. A specially designed train covers 9,000 km per year, covering 1,890 districts and held program and activities in 43,200 villages. It comprised of 7 coaches equipped with educational material primarily on AIDS, interactive touch screens, 3D model services in the context of HIV and TB co-infection, and LSD projector platform for folk performance, counseling cabins, 2 doctor cabins were also there. RRE started its journey from Kanyakumari, halted at 180 stations and covered almost all the states of India. What do we mean by campaign? Actually, this is the method of development communication. Campaign is the combination of the usage of different communication methods and materials such as meetings, tours, newspaper articles, leaflets, exhibitions about a theme for predefined period of time. It is well organized and intensive activity. Next is radio and television. They are the most popular, cheapest and convenient mass mediums that can be used for development purposes. The field of broadcast journalism has distinct advantage over print media. It can be used to reach out to more people, particularly those with poor literacy level. It also has advantage over television as it is available at comparatively lower cost. PSA. What do we mean by PSA? It is Public Service Announcement. In brief, 10 to 60-second message between programs, generally in the form of jingles, are given. They provide information or suggestions for action. They are basically advertisements of some ideas or message for public good, like obey traffic rules, say no to tobacco and more. These are generally found to be very effective because of their catchy slogans and repeated broadcast. Local radio station. All India Radio has introduced new concept of local radio station in which Broadcast journalism professionals have an important role to play. It is run and managed by local people, and the contents are for local use in their dialect. Local radio stations generally support programs for development. It gives opportunity to people to participate and express their views and display their talents. Common example is it encourages youth to prepare for career in DCJ, Development Communication Journalism. What is community radio and it's important to the society? NGO and educational institutions are given license to set up local community radio station to broadcast information on development aspects. Participation of local community is encouraged. There have been some successful attempts in using community radio in different parts of country. Example Vanasthali, Vidyapeeth, Rajasthan, Self-Employed Women Association Seva in Gujarat and DUFM in North Delhi. Project Village CHHATERA. The project Village CHHATERA was started in 1969 and focused its attention on small village CHHATERA in northwest Delhi. Hindustan Times started a regular fortnightly column describing the lives of these people. A team of reporters wrote with sensitivity, giving detailed story of the situation in the village. They wrote about village chopal, aspirations of people, livelihood issues and festivities. They give solution to problems due to attention of local leader. Print coverage brought machines, bridges, roads and banks into the project area. With this, we finished our chapter. Take good care of yourself. We'll meet in the next chapter.